In this video, we are going to see how we can create credential on Google Console for your project. And first of all, go to the Google Console. After going Google Console, click on Google Cloud Console and log in into if you are not logged in already. As you can see, I am already logged in, and then you can go into the dashboard. If you not created any project, then you can create your project. Like I have already have a project. If you are not any project, then you can create first project and then click on dashboard. Like I create this one, Google login Flask app, and after clicking on dashboard you can see the interface like this, and API services, and then create click on credentials. After clicking on the credentials, you will redirect on the screen and configure const screen. After clicking on the const screen, you can select the user type and internal and external. I'm going to use external. After this, we can give any name like a Flask login app, and give the any user support email like I am giving, and also you can give the developer support email so that Google support team can contact you for any issue. After providing these things, then you can save and continue. In the scope we will leave as it is, and then we are not going to add anything there. Click on save and continue. After back to the dashboard. After back onto the dashboard, you will see you have created the Flask login app, and then go into the credentials. Here we can see we can create the credential like auth client ID. We click on auth client ID. After clicking auth client ID, we can select application type, like I'm going to use web app, and the name of your auth client ID, like I'm going to Flask client. And you can also add a redirect URL for the security purpose, so that Google can redirect you on a safe place. Like I'm going to add 127.0.0.1 and host 5000 callback, and then we can simply add, and we can create. When we create, then it will create the auth client created, and simply we can copy the credential from their client ID, client secret, creation date, etc. And also we can download the JSON file. Like when I click, then it's download the JSON file which we can use in our project. Hope so you like this video. Thank you for watching.